G'day viewers, well the house next door is getting, that house is coming up very well, the house next door. Just changing the things like the exhaust fan, the light fittings, the ceiling fans, the modern ones. Makes the house look quite nice. And this fan's only 5 years old, 2010. Yep, 2010 now I think, is it? 2010. So I think it's a Clipsaw one too. Clipsaw used this bloody this brand is a good one. I was gonna put a high-speed dishwasher pump motor on here and do what Trader Trev did. He used a vacuum cleaner motor on one of these. A turbo shit fume extractor. The vacuum cleaner motor, it was bloody nuts. Good mod, but my challenge is getting the motor mount, so it's not hard to do. Just put the bracket on here, clamp it on here. My challenge is getting the shaft to fit this fan blade squarely. There's nothing really wrong with this setup. I didn't actually need to be changed at all. This looks pretty modern. They put a Bunnings Hella brand. It's the same shape, I just put with a silver grill. You could always just change the grills and keep the fan anyway. Works good. I'm going to probably clean this one up and keep it as a spare. We've got another one in storage, which is the motor mounts are broken off. I'm going to use that one and put the turbo motor, dishwasher motor on that one, since that's already half broken. The clamps are missing, but I can get those. Let's see, the motor is a Fasco Australia. Interesting. Shaded pole motor, 0.29 amps, 240 watt 50 Hz, 40 watts. This is a higher CFM one too. Yeah, Fasco used to be, I think Fasco took over GMF because a dishwasher pump motor I got is branded a Betts, and GMF used Betts on their motors. So Fasco must have been the company that took over GMF. Fasco did make stuff in Australia for a little bit, and now they're a Chinese-based manufacturer. So it's funny how Australia loses all of its stuff. All comes out of the bowels of China, so to speak. That will clean up alright. I wasn't using the toilet in the house doesn't have a fan. Neither does ours, this was using the bathroom, so no crappy smells on this one. This will clean up and I'll keep that as a spare. So yeah, I got one of my older ones if I can find it somewhere in storage, and I'll put a turbo motor on that. I'll have to design and strengthen the plastic housing to take the motor kick-starting so it doesn't break. I've got a dishwasher motor there, the pump motor. There is the newer one I've got, out of a newer 2000 model dish Lex that was in that bin. That motor out of that dishwasher has a smaller shaft on it, so I should fit that fan quite easily actually. I've also freed this up. I think it weighs a lot, I got rid of it. The bearings are shot. Got a bit noisy. And it's blunt. I can undo those bolts and give these blades a bit of a sharpen. Keep cleaning it up. I have got a spare belt too after that Zito when I blew up somewhere in storage. So I have got a spare belt for this. The motor's good. There was some tests on this yesterday. It ran off that 30 volt transformer. 30 volts is enough for test purposes to run this thing. Now I'll pull those bolts out. Pull those blades out and give them a sharpen. Blades out here, they are blunt. Not much of a blade in that one. Yeah, those bearings are shot. I need to be re-greased. Don't have any spares because the bearings off of the Zito one I blew up were also shot. And it wasn't even a very old tool. This is back when Makita made all their stuff in Japan. Hand planer. 1500 watts I think it is. It's all faded but it'll clean up alright. It's quite a good one. Got to replace the screw that was there because the other screw broke off. It was just so badly rusted and stripped. I've got to feed this up so the adjuster bit works. Yeah, get those blades off and sharpen those. Okay, it was a bloody nightmare. I got two of these screws out diagonally opposite, but these two are assholes. It does not take much to turn aluminium into heavy duty Loctite once it gets oxidised. I did them up a little bit, tightened them to crack them, but I couldn't undo them again. Yeah, aluminium. Just put some bits of aluminium filings in your thread and let it oxidise if you want really good thread locker. It works a treat, I can tell you. I got one of these things off. On the other side, forget about it. It's all one piece, it's not coming apart. I got the middle one out, but the other two bolts not. Forget about it. And the screws behind it on the other side are rusted. They wouldn't come out, so you can replace this whole damn thing anyway if you really wanted to. And I think I just might ego it. The rust is just taking its toll on this thing. I tried to get the front adjuster undone and adjust it, but the knob turned to pieces. Yeah, eh? Just ate that knob for breakfast. Crunchy, crunchy. Just brought the bits, so well, that's broken off. I got the rattle gun onto it, and I undid it and did it up, and fed that up with a rattle gun. That worked. But this plate still doesn't move. My depth plate's all the way up. It's got to go down. The spring in there's not pushing it down anymore. It's just rusted up. That doesn't even undo. Let's put this little 30 volt transformer on it, and I'll give you a demonstration of how this thing runs on just 30 volts. Center tap's too low, that's a 15 volt one, so I'm going to use the two 30 volt taps and we'll see it go. Wish I'd have brought the bloody tripod. Just crudely connect these wires up. Oh, she's noisy. She is noisy. Was getting faster. Hold that connected. Oh, you freaking thing. Stay on there, will you? Obviously not much torque. Man, it's noisy, but it works. Haha, I ain't finding crap. That's just plain blood. Not getting hot, the first almost happy. That's a noisy bloody sander. This thing's just plain old rusty. Getting easy, that. Plain old rusty, this thing. Just plain rusty. Pull it, I can't screw the motor pulley all the way out because I damaged a bit of the thread getting the bloody thing off. Put it back on. I'll push that belt back on the way it was. There we go. So you're going to take that belt off. Yeah, hard to get the belt off. There you go, eh? Freed right up. No heat there. Motor's getting warmer, that's because it's running. You can clean it fully up too. Man, it's noisy though. Man, it's noisy. It's a real noise maker. Bloody Nora. Anyway, it's easy it's gonna get. Needs to be re-greased. Anyway, thanks for watching.